Calculating the calendar mentally. Calculating freely for any month. We must remember the first weekday of the year, whether it's a leap year, and the following sequence of numbers below. If it isn't a leap year, we must calculate the sequence normally and then subtract 1, and it applies from February. This sequence applies with 0 for January since it's the starting point, and then from February to the first day of the next year. To manually know whether this is a leap year, we simply need to see if February is 29 days long. If it only has 28 days, then it isn't a leap year. Also, in general, if this year is exactly divisible by 4, then it's a leap year. It might be that it doesn't apply for all existing years, but it's a minimum consideration that we can determine calculating only mentally in a simple way. We must learn the following sequence of numbers for being able to calculate the initial day of any month. Each one of these numbers corresponds to each one of the months of the year, from January to December, and the last individual number corresponds to the first day of the next year. 0, 3, 5, 1, 3, 6, 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 7, 3. Examples of leap years are 2000, 2004, 2008, etc. We could learn the number of a specific special year. For example, 1984, the first weekday of that year. Sunday in this case. And whether it's a leap year or not. In this case it is. Just with that and with our techniques so far, we can now calculate any day of that year. Now try to determine the first day of November 2016 and November 2, 2016. 2016 started in Friday. It's a leap year because February has 29 days. 2016 is divisible exactly by 4. For November it corresponds to us to advance 5 days, and since it's a leap year we have to advance those 5 days instead of 4 days, to reflect that February 29th is present. So, since we started the first day of the year in Friday, if we now advance 5 days, starting from the initial weekday of the year, we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So November 1, 2016 falls in Tuesday, and obviously November 2 falls in Wednesday.